What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Dale again. I just wanted to bring a quick update on the Slacker bus and where I'm at on it. It's been a week or two. I've actually been pretty busy, got quite a bit done, so I'll get the camera turned around and show you what's been happening. All right, we start off over here on the kitchen side, and you'll notice that the countertop is now in the bus. It is not permanently installed just yet. I'm just in test fitting everything, making sure it all goes where I want it to go. I've already seen a couple of things that I might have to correct, but yeah, I've been working on this countertop for about a week now, and I've been trying to film some of it. So at some point down the road, hopefully I will do a complete video on how I actually finish this countertop. Like I said, right now it looks really good in my mind. I would give it, I think, probably an 8 out of 10. There again, as I've stated in the video clips that I've shot so far, I've never done an epoxy countertop or any real epoxy of any kind, so it was a real learning experience for me. It turned out, I think, excellent. It's kind of what I was looking for. The original epoxy, when you pour it, is really glossy. I'm sure, had I done some research, they probably make an epoxy that's more of a satin finish. I used a glossy finish and then sanded it and polished it. I do have some work to do. I'm not real happy after I got it in the bus with the way this outside edge here is. It's a little shinier than I'd like, so I'll probably be sanding it down and getting it. Also, I'm sure it'll pick up on camera, but there's several spots where I had some air bubbles that when they popped and I sanded it, forms a little crater. I have seen videos where you can actually repair those, and I may give that a shot on some of these toward the back here that I know are actually, when I get the electrical all back in, they won't even, they'll be covered up anyway. So I may try one, see if it works, and if it does, then some of these other ones that are in here, I'll possibly try to repair. If not, there again, I'm a slacker, so it doesn't really matter. I'm really happy with it. Like I say, this is all just kind of in here just to show you what's going on. This, the spray hose, I'll actually have to flip the counter off and re-drill the hole for it. For some reason, the nut and stuff that goes on the bottom of the faucet here, the threaded part's long enough to go all the way through the cabinet and get the nut on it. The sprayer hose, for whatever reason, isn't. So like I said, I'll have to get a Forstner bit and make a larger hole over the smaller hole, and then that'll be able to get the nut up in there. And the other thing I've been doing, a lot of you, like I said, I've been working on this for quite a while, trying to decide whether to do a couch or a dinette. I finally decided to go with the couch. This is what it'll look like when it's folded out. Basically, you simply will take the foam off. Sorry about that, but you get the foam off. Then this outside portion is 12 inches and the inside portion is 18, which winds up giving you a 30-inch bed. But then the couch, again, sorry about the jerky camera right now, but I'm all by myself. So the foam will go on the couch. The legs will fold up and be stored away. And then, like I say, let me back up here and you'll be able to see it. Obviously, I still have to find an upholsterer to do the upholstery on it, but yep, that's it. There's also underneath it, like I say, these straps, it all lifts up and there's storage underneath there. That's pretty much it for this update. This is kind of a short one, but I know a lot of people were curious about what was going on. And this is pretty much it. This is like, I'm really happy with the way this countertop turned out. So anyway, that's pretty much it. So you guys stay safe, have fun, keep all your projects rolling, and hopefully here in another week or so, once I get everything permanently installed in this thing, I'll come back, do an update. I still have to figure out, what I want to do with the cabinet fronts. Probably going to stain them, try to figure out what color I want to do. Also, underneath the stove, just as another little point, there's plenty of space up underneath the stove there, so I'll probably put some kind of a shelf in there for storing, pots, pans, whatever, and then build some doors or something to enclose that. Like I said, I still got to redo some of this electrical. Like I say, in the end, the refrigerator will sit right here on the end of at the end of the couch, and then this area back in here will be a dressing area, bathroom area. I'm still trying to decide what to use. Do I want to build a composting toilet on my own? Do I want to buy one? Do I want to continue to use the hospital potty chair that I've had for years now? Just like I said, that's one of those things I'll have to make up my mind on. So anyway, once again, this is it. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I know this is pretty much the last weekend of spring break for us here in Florida. My granddaughter has been asking me if we could sleep in the bus one night, so this is pretty much our last chance. So I'll probably get out here tonight, put the bed together, get a sheet on it for her, and we'll have a little camp out. So that should be fun. Anyway, once again, bye and stay safe.